Welcome. Teslas offer unique storage with their front trunk, or Frunk. This video will show you 5 ways to maximize your Frunk space, transforming it from underutilized to incredibly functional. We'll cover organizers, storage hacks, and essential packing tips to help you get the most out of your Tesla's front storage. Invest in Frunk-specific organizers. These molded containers are designed to fit perfectly in your Frunk, creating designated compartments. Options include collapsible organizers for flexible space, rigid bins for secure storage, and even multi-compartment units for separating items. Highlight the benefits of a structured system. Easy access, prevents shifting during driving, and maximizes usable space. Show examples of popular organizers available online and in auto stores. Soft storage bags and packing cubes offer efficient packing solutions for your Tesla Frunk. These flexible items conform better to the Frunk's shape than rigid containers. Rigid suitcases maintain their shape and often leave wasted space in the Frunk's irregular contours. Soft-sided luggage, however, can flex and conform to fill these spaces more efficiently. Packing cubes help compress clothing and organize items by category. They make it easier to find what you need and prevent items from shifting during travel. To maximize space, arrange soft bags and packing cubes to follow the Frunk's contours. Place larger items first, then fill gaps with smaller pieces to minimize wasted space. Many Tesla vehicles come equipped with built-in hooks in the Frunk, designed for securing items like grocery bags and reusable shopping totes. If your Tesla doesn't have built-in hooks, aftermarket options are available to install additional hooks for hanging items such as small backpacks. Netting can be installed to secure loose items like water bottles or umbrellas, preventing them from rolling around and taking up valuable space in the Frunk. Frunk insulated coolers are specifically designed to fit perfectly in your Tesla's Frunk, keeping food and drinks cold during road trips. These coolers fit snugly in the Frunk space, designed specifically for Tesla vehicles to maximize storage while maintaining insulation. Choose a cooler with multiple compartments to organize different food items and prevent mixing of contents. Beyond coolers, consider other Frunk-compatible food storage options like reusable lunch containers and snack bags. Using Frunk food storage frees up valuable cabin space, allowing passengers to travel more comfortably without food items taking up seats or floor space. When packing your Tesla's Frunk, distribute weight evenly to maintain vehicle balance. Place heavier items towards the bottom and center of the Frunk. Consider what items you'll need quick access to and pack them last or in easily accessible compartments. This visual example shows proper weight distribution, with heavier items centered at the bottom and lighter items placed for easy access. DIY Frunk hacks offer endless possibilities for customizing your Tesla's front trunk space to fit your unique needs perfectly. One simple approach is creating custom dividers or shelves using everyday materials like cardboard or foam board. Cut pieces to fit your Frunk's dimensions and secure them in place to create organized compartments for different items. For more advanced customization, 3D printed organizers provide durable, precision-fit solutions. Design parts that snap together or attach securely, creating modular storage that adapts to your changing needs. These examples show the potential of DIY Frunk hacks. With some creativity and basic materials, you can create custom solutions that make the most of your Tesla's front trunk space. In summary, there are 5 key ways to maximize your Tesla's Frunk potential. Organized storage solutions, soft storage bags and packing cubes, hidden hooks and netting, insulated coolers for food storage, and strategic packing with proper weight distribution. By implementing these tips, you can transform your Frunk into a highly functional storage space, enhancing your overall Tesla experience. Don't forget to share your own Frunk organization tips in the comments.